low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from. I'm low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from. Caution, this may be disturbing to all ears. I rap like every bit of respect has just disappeared. Look at me in my eyes, I'm everything rappers fear. I make them panic, schizophrenic, reflections seen in the mirrors. Words hurting feelings and emotions revealing the frightened side they've kept inside, deep down they've been concealing. Hip-hop's a slave and I'm the master, an ignorant bastard. They try to break me down but they could barely leave me fractured. Manslaughter, convicted father, don't even bother. Rappers my sons but you bitches could never be my daughters. Deranged writer, syllabic fighter, flame igniter. Dubs in MC but the black villain's a crazed fighter. Murder was weapons, proficient in my profession, no confessions. Honest enough in every section. Black veil I snap back like rubber with no protection. Evil enough to kill you then torture your resurrection. Stab your girl through the heart cause when I fucked she felt affection. A menace, assassinate the president at election. Shoot his wife and tell his kids to count their blessings. I'm just too fucking hectic. Fuck school, the teachers and principals, bitch, that's my lesson. Duh. I'm low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from. I'm low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from. I hump pray, look at me wrong, you'll get a stump face. Irritating like a bump face. Play Russian roulette but I don't even trust fate. There's no competing or no pleading for reasoning while I'm proceeding, eating through your flesh and cause internal bleeding. Lyrical combat give you verbal beatings with way more words and meanings. A rapper's worst nightmare like they never heard of dreaming. Fuck the world and everybody in it. I would say names but I don't know everybody's name that's living. Enough with all the sadness for these women. A fuck's no longer given. A walking sin that's sinning. You fuck me over, I'll fuck you up and make you feel offended. A life that's lived vicious and discontented. So I'm after all contended. You crazy but I'm demented. Yeah, I smoke weed and I get lifted. Give a fuck about these parents, I'm just explicitly splendid. Unfortunately, I'ma be here a while. I make these pussies so afraid. You think these motherfuckers fear to smile, appear to reconcile. And fuck who tries to judge me. Tell them suck my dick, kill themselves and learn to love me. I'm here to stay. These other rappers don't appear too great. If you swerve in my lane, I'm making sure you steer it straight. I'm low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from. I'm low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from. My thoughts are fatal, I'm after you and your fucking label. I'm leaving careers unstable with rappers bleeding on the table. I hurt feelings because the truth is painful. Sometimes I can't be shameful. I've had some beef with Cupid, now I'm hateful, disgraceful. Dead bitches in my closet who's unfaithful. Beat your children's ass and tell him I'm just being playful. The black villain, he's just so fucking heartless. Don't start shit, he'll cut off your tongue for saying some smart shit. It is agreed that I'm destructive. That's why whenever I speak it's so disruptive. When I breathe it's so eruptive, constructive. Or who the realest is still debated out. Wait it out, I'm close to blowing up so I'll inflate it now. Never play around when it comes to verbal combat. Just let them get their hits now. They're still a work in progress, fuck all you people. And if you tryna just display beef, I'll spray heat. The self-proclaimed heroes now all need saving. These stupid pricks don't faze me, I'm pissing on their headstones. Had it with these niggas like I'm close to turning lesbo. I'm venomous and villainous with skillfulness, with lyrics killing shit. You dealing with a nigga appealing as the illest shit, and no one's as real as this. I'm down and dirty on my villain shit. Dub. I'm low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from. I'm low down and fucking crazy. And if you hear a man that sounds like me, smack him and ask him where the fuck did he get his damn raps from.